Yeah. We have Rare Pearl Key on YouTube. Can USCIS approve your I-485 if they reject your I-765 form and never send you a receipt number for your I-130 form?
Well, it depends on why they rejected the I-765.
It would
Makes
be.
sense.
I mean, if they say you're not qualified to adjust your status, then, you know, I don't know why, you know, I need to know more.
Joss Ann Pottinger on YouTube. My dependent children were taken off from the account by NBC. All fees are paid and documents accepted, and we are waiting for the interview date. How can this be rectified?
Maybe they turned 21 and they don't qualify under the Child Status Protection Act. So it may be rectified, it may not. So it's either an error from the National Visa Center or your children aged out. I'm not sure. I would need to know more about your case. So there's something called the Child Status Protection Act, and what the Child Status Protection Act allows a child who is over 21 to still be included on the case if you paid the fees within 1 year of a visa being available to that child. So it depends on when you paid those fees at the National Visa Center. If you paid the fees more than a year, so in other words, they accepted the fees, so that means they said the children were under 21, and then either they reached 21 and they fell off because you paid the fees after more than 1 year after visa availability, then you have a problem. If you paid the fees within 1 year of visa availability and they accepted the case, then it's their fault. So it depends on, you know, we got to check into the case.
Okay. God is Merciful on YouTube. I have received the G1145 notification.
The G1145?
Yes.
Did you say the G11145?
G1145.
I have no idea what the G1145 is, but let's...
G-1145.
I still don't know what the G-1145 is, and maybe it exists. I've never heard the G with those numbers before, but it's possible. Let's hear what the question is.
Yeah, let's see what we can get out of it then. I've received the G-1145.
The G1145.
Yes, notification for my adjustment of status application, but not the notice in the mail as of yet. I submitted my application November 2020. What should I do?
I don't know what he's talking about. So it's obviously, I don't, and probably there is such a thing as a G1145. It's probably,
I'm going to Google it while you talk.
Notification of application.
Yeah, it's probably a receipt notice. I don't know all the names of all the.
Okay, so yeah, it's an e-notification of application.
Okay, because so I don't get those emails, so I wouldn't know. You know, it would come to my office, and but I don't actually see the email. It doesn't come to my email and I say, oh yeah, here it is, the G1145.
Right.
So I didn't know what it was, but yeah, as long as you got the e-notification, you're fine. Let's call it the e-notification.
E-notification from now on.
I didn't know it was the G1145. Okay.
I didn't either. Jilly gets on, Jilly be real fast.
But you are okay. You're okay because you got your e-notification. That's very funny though, because how would I never get emails on
right
to my email box, so I don't see what the.
That makes sense.
Classic World. AJ on YouTube. I filed my I-751 and it was received on December 22nd. I haven't received any email or I-797. How long before I should start to worry?
What did he file?
He filed an I-751.
How long has it been?
He received it. It was received on December 22nd.
Start worrying by February 22nd if you haven't gotten anything.
Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.